something. If there's anything that's on your mind that's fucking you up, if there's anything that's telling you you can't make it through, anything that looks too heavy to carry, give it to God. You have to give it to God, bro. I'm telling you. There's going to be times when you're headed for disaster. There's going to be times where you're not going to win. And those times you need to go with God. Don't go alone, bro. You need to go with God. Give it to Him. He's going to solve the issues. He's going to give you the strength. I'm telling you, fam. This week was bad. This week was bad. Stress, boy. Too much happened this week. Disasters. Disasters were hitting me from left, right, and center. One thing someone told me, said, hey, bro, give it to God. Let God carry that weight. Anything. It might seem ridiculous, bro. It might seem like, yo, I have to figure it out myself. You don't. You don't have to figure none of this shit out yourself, man. Give it to God, my G. Give it to God, my G.
Ngyathemba lapho khona ubhizi ujabulis'ingiloz Ngyathemba lapho khona ukhuz ney'ngeloz Kub'awukho Gamin ngabe sengiphakath most ikhona oway'faka Gamin but still iyaz'valela nje Scel ufake umoy ongcwele Ubavulele inhliziy ezimb Kub'awukho ngabe manje usekho sebekhona sebefana nabe-Fundis okhombela le kwesabo nje Ak'dlal ukubhala njalo kuphela inyanga ungaqophanga Ak'dlal ukbek'mali for something uqeda ungay'thol prayer to RIKHADO'S idlozi sel'vumile amahera segobile nje ucebisa sel'vumile umhlaba ngisazowuphatha ngitravel umhlaba ngendiza beka iflag lami emefini ngicupha isigama emephini ngihlale nespace emafini that's my dog that's my nigga sale lami liyakhokhela kuvela intambo ngiyakotela lento iqala ngaphakathi ngikhipha ingoma yazincomela funa ukujabulisa umphakathi bese ngikhomba ngophakathi lento ngayiqala erandini bengidropha njalo ngiyowuvalela dropha njalo ngiyosithuphela ngikhala njalo mase ngilala funa impumelelo shintsha isimo ekhanga umculo wami very much idama funa vuma izitha zami uyangifatela uyangipretend carry shit I am my own so ngena kancane njengomkhakha ngishisa ngidlula igisi deep down Gamin deep down lapho deep down MC hey it's just a freestyle my nigga don't get too deep shout out to RIKHADO'S Record Joe gang so vale más